Good day, guys. This is me, SpotBerlva. Ching, 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 ching. And I just bought my IC Choco from DD. And today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how I arrange my working station from this to whatever it is. And I hope you guys enjoy the video and come with me as I arrange my working station. So, without further ado, let's go! So good day, guys. How are you? Today is Friday and today is my rest day. And for today's video is that I'm so happy kasi nung isang araw dumating yung cabinet na binili ko from the Orange app. And guys, may link ako sa my description box pag gusto nyong bilhin tong cabinet na to. Sobrang muro at saka alam nyo na may quality talaga siya kasi it's so heavy. And kamusta kayo, guys? I hope na meron din kayong masayang weekend this weekend. And sobrang happy ko but sobrang disappointed ko kasi nakita nyo yung corner na yan. Gusto ko talagang lagyan ng cabinet yan. And yung cabinet na kulay na binili ko is that color black. May isang 3-door at saka may isang 2-door. And yung 2-door is that mali yung pinadala ni seller. I don't know, sabi ko baka white din yung isa, so okay na lang sana. But black yung 3-door, ito yung 2-door at saka yung 3-door is that black talaga siya. Sobrang disappointed kasi 2 linggo ko siyang inantay and I was expecting talaga na makukuha ko yung kung ano talaga yung nasa isip ko at saka chat GPT ko pa talaga yung idea na yun. So yeah, I'm so very disappointed about this purchase but okay na lang, happy na din. I think ato ang order is mali siya. Both of this should be in black. This one is black and then kinipon black ni siya pero white ang ilang i-order pero ang ilang gihisan. Let's check it out. My order is both are black. I don't know if you can see but it would be black. I don't want to take this kay it's gonna be hard for me to find another. Ayun, nagpapalit na po bagong. This is the white one is 1299 and the other one is 1899. So yeah, atuan ni siyang return to sender. So ayun guys, I just scheduled a return refund request from the Shopee kasi yung 2-door 60 cm na cabinet is that yun lang yung mali. So there's a choice or option na either i-return yung dalawa or return yung isa lang na item na mali. So I decided to return the other item, the one that is misshipped or I don't know. Basta ayun, yan lang yung i-return to sender at saka ito is that it will stay here. Kasi napaka-hassle. Mga 2 weeks ko na itong inantay. The first attempt of ordering it got cancelled. I don't know why. Maybe because ganito wala silang isang item and then the second one is that okay siya but yung attempt nila is that mali yung isa. So yeah, ito na lang muna tong isa ang gagamitin ko. Ito. I will just assemble this and then return the other one kasi need ko na talaga ng storage. I really need the storage. So let's go without further ado. Let's continue. So after being disappointed for a couple of minutes, no, I decided to move on and then gawin yung anong dapat ko pang gawin for today. At saka, niset aside ko muna yung maling pinadala ni seller sa atin dun sa labas sa kwarto. At saka, i-fix natin yan for return to sender na. At saka, madami talaga akong na-realize dito sa paggagawa ko ng mga content dito sa bagong bahay, no. I really need a new stuff, like at least quality na stuff, like yung lighting ko is super mura lang yan, mga 500-600 lang ata. At saka sira na din yung stand yan. I don't know kung kailan siya matutumba, so I'm very mindful about my lighting. At saka yung audio ko din is that ang hirap gamitin ni DJI kasi pag ni-off ko yung camera ko at saka maybe hindi ko siya ma-on ulit ng maybe 5 minutes is that nag-off din yung microphone niya. So yeah, may nami-miss ako mga audio, and so I need a dedicated audio for my Sony A6400. And ang hirap talaga gumawa ng content ng mag-isa kasi one man standing ka, ikaw lahat, all around ka. And yeah, mahirap man pero kailangan natin mag-move on, need natin to pursue yung anong gusto natin i-pursue. So, sa mga content creator dyan na kagaya ko, let's move on. Kaya natin to, and enjoy the video, guys. See you! be.